Yeah guys, welcome to my channel. Adam Vibes. Today we're gonna be preparing some curry chicken with some rice and some meat vegetables. Hope you like this video. Like, comment, and share. Alright, let's get into it. Today I got the chicken cleaned up. As you can see, it's all cleaned up and everything. Now I'm about to cut it in like small bite pieces so we can like curry it. So let's get into it. So right now I'm just gonna cut it up. You can cut it up like how you want it, like if you want it smaller, if you want it bigger, but I'm just doing it the way I like to do it. Just one thing guys, like as I cutting the chicken with my hands, you can use like a chopping board or something to like cut it on, or to hit the knife to twist the board. I'm using my hands. So now I just got all the chicken all done now. I'm gonna wash it up with some vinegar. Distilled white vinegar, or you can use lime, you can use lemon, or you can use salt to wash the meat if you want to. So right now I'm just giving it a thorough clean, making sure everything is good. So I'm gonna give it a second rinse, just make sure the vinegar is come out of it. Now it's all rinsed up. Now I'm gonna season it, like put some seasoning to it. Yeah guys, so let me just get the seasoning and then we'll go ahead and season it. So I'm gonna add some Maggi, some pollo, some chicken bouillon or however you call it into there. And you do it according to what you feel like is enough for you. Or if you want to use teaspoon, but I do it like when I see it good, like according to the measurements, since I've been doing it for a while. And I'm gonna add some curry. What I just added was complete seasoning. And I'm gonna add some curry, like cheap curry, and I just open the packet and pour it into another can. And then that onion powder, garlic powder, leaf oregano, and Italian seasoning. Now seasoning, the perfect seasoning, and adobo by Goya all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, I know, I like a lot of seasoning. Some salt, some salsa. I probably put half of the salsa. And this is some green seasoning that I blended up, like some celery, some parsley, cilantro, some green peppers, yeah, some yellow peppers, onion, garlic, and ginger, some bitter herbs, all blended up. So that's some ginger. Add some ginger into there too. You see, guys, nice and pretty. So now we're just gonna put it in on the pot and mix the curry with it. Yeah, guys. So like I said, we're gonna curry the chicken. So now I'm gonna put it in the pot. But before I do that, we're gonna do like a curry paste. So I'm gonna add some oil. Stove. And then I'm gonna have some curry in there. That we're using a curry paste. While that is cooking, I'm gonna do some rice. So we're gonna do some rice. So now we're gonna use the pressure cooker and to cook the rice, because it's gonna be like 10 minutes to cook. So we're just gonna like steam it a little bit. So, take out the sauce, and then we're going to take the rice. The rice that I'm using is the basmati rice, the authentic basmati rice, the real thing from India. So it should be fine, so I'm using like about 2-3 cups. We're gonna add some salt. So now I'm just checking on the paste, make sure it's all good. Add some water. I think this is good now. I'm gonna add the curry. You can add like coconut milk if you want, or basically anything you want in there. Then I just let it boil, make it all juicy. I'm gonna cover it with that way, steam, and then we're gonna come back to it in a few seconds. And this is the water level for the rice, around this. And now we're gonna put it in. And then we're just gonna put it on rice for 10 minutes. And this is the curry, how it's come out. Yeah guys, so this is we're just going to check on the curry right now. So this is the curry. So we're just gonna give it a little spin. So I added some water in like 5 minutes ago, and then we're just gonna leave it about 5-10 minutes. So literally it should be good right now. Yeah guys, so the curry is basically done now. So we're just gonna have a look at it. Turn off the stove. This is it right now, it's all done. And basically the rice is also done too. So it's something we're just gonna open it up. This is how it come out, nice and fluffy. So basically this is the nice taste of the curry. Yeah guys, this is the final product of the curry chicken with the rice. This guy is looking good and tasty. Gonna have a little bite of it to see. It's good guys, really good. Yeah, I know you want. There is a little bit. It's good, eh? Yeah guys. So yeah guys, this concludes the end of the video. So if you like, subscribe and share, and tell your friends about us. This is the island vibes, the way we do it in the island. So peace out, bye.